Hello friends, welcome back again. Today we want to prepare quick and easy breakfast. Let's do it together. Let's slice the spring onions. Slice the tomatoes. Crack 3 eggs. Add a little salt, black pepper, then mix. Add a little oil in a pan. Let's add wheat bread. Some people call it different name, but I prefer to call it wheat bread. Then add your eggs. Now put on fire with a low heat. Add spring onions. Add mozzarella cheese. Add tomatoes. Add salami. Add another mozzarella cheese. We are going to put it in the oven, but you can still use gas to finish it. Just cover it and allow it to done for 10 minutes. So I will put it in the oven now. Put in the oven. Bring out from the oven. You can see how it's looking. So we are done. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, do me a favor, and watch out for the next video. Bye. God bless you.